Students, today I will discuss polygon chapters. So first we have to know curve. Curve we can draw on a plane surface or blackboard. This is also a curve. Straight line is also a curve. We can say. Now types of curve. Types of curve. Curves two types: open curve, closed curve. Open curve means a curve that does not end at the starting point. That is, starting point and ending point are different. This is starting point. This is ending point. So starting point and ending point are different. This is open curve. Example of open curve: a curve that does not end at the starting point. Open curve. Closed curve. Closed curve: a curve whose starting point and ending point are same. That is, we can draw a circle. Starting point and ending point same. This is a curve. Closed curve. I have started from A. Now start going and end at A. This is the closed curve. Open curve two types: simple open curve, non-simple open curve. Simple open curve means a curve which does not intersect. That is, this is open curve, does not intersect itself. This is open curve, simple open curve. Non-simple open curve, this is non-simple open curve. A curve intersect itself. Starting point, ending point, both are different but intersect itself. Here starting point, ending point different and does not intersect itself. This is simple open curve, non-simple open curve. Similarly, simple closed curve. Simple closed curve means a curve which does not intersect itself. This is called simple closed curve. This is simple closed curve. Starting point, ending point same. Simple closed curve. Non-simple closed curve intersect itself. Starting point, ending point same and also intersect. This is a non-simple closed curve because intersect here. We can write A, point A, intersect at A. This is non-simple closed curve, simple closed curve. This is the classification of curves. Curves two types: open curve, closed curve. Open curve two types: simple open curve. Simple open curve means does not intersect itself. Non-simple open curve intersect itself but starting point, ending point different. Closed curve. Closed curve two types: simple closed curve, non-simple closed curve. Simple closed curve means starting point, ending point same but does not intersect. And non-simple closed curve, starting point, ending point same and intersect itself. This is the classification of curves. Next, I will discuss polygon. Polygon. Polygon is a new concept. Polygon means what is polygon? A simple closed curve. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments. Line segments. A simple closed curve. That is, this is a polygon. AB one line segment, BC one line segment, CD line segment and AD line segment. This is a polygon. Now types of polygon. Types of polygon. Next, polygon four types. One type: convex polygon. Convex polygon. Two: concave polygon. Concave or re-entrant polygon. Convex, concave, regular polygon. And number four, irregular polygon. Irregular polygon. Convex. Now I am discussing one thing: polygon, triangle containing three sides. Three sides: a simple closed curve made up of only line segments. Simple closed curve and containing three line segments. ABC, AB, BC, CA. 3 line segments. Triangle is also a polygon. Next, quadrilateral, that is square, rhombus, trapezium. Also, this is a quadrilateral polygon. Next, pentagon, hexagon. You will learn in class 11 benzene ring. Benzene ring also a hexagon. 6 sides containing 6 line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a hexagon. 6 sides, hexagon, heptagon, nonagon, that is 9 sides, octagon, 8 sides, and decagon, 10 sides. This is the name of polygons. So now convex polygon. Convex polygon means a polygon, each angles whose measure less than 180 degree. Each angle, polygon, suppose a triangle. Is a triangle. Each angle whose measure less than 180 degree. Actually, each angle means each interior angle we can say. Some books written each angle, but each angle not. Each interior angle 180 degree. 60 degree maybe. 60 degree, 60 degree. Convex polygon. Concave polygon. Concave polygon, we can say that a polygon in which at least one angle is more than 180 degree. At least one angle. Now, A, B, C, D. Interior angle. Angle A, angle B, and this is a more than 180 degree. At least one angle, one interior angle more than 180 degree. This is example of concave polygon. Regular polygon. Regular polygon means a polygon in which all sides and all angles are equal. Regular polygon we can draw hexagon, that is benzene ring. Benzene ring, this is actual not regular polygon, but we can take all sides equal. All sides are equal. Example of hexagon, all angles equal, all sides equal. Regular polygon. And irregular polygon means all sides are not equal or all angles are not equal. Example of irregular polygons. So this chapter I will discuss 2 types polygon. One convex polygon and one regular polygon. So now I will discuss some formula of polygon chapters. On 2 types of polygon, one regular polygon and one convex polygon. First formula for regular polygon. For regular polygon of n sides, we have formula A. Measure of each exterior angle. Measure of each exterior angle equals to 360 by n degree. 360 by n degree. And B, measure of each interior angle. Measure of each interior angle equals to 180 degree minus exterior angle. Measure of each exterior angle. How to apply? If we draw a triangle, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, that is number of sides, n equals to 3. Apply formula. Formula A, 360 by n means 3 degree equals to 120 degree. That is each exterior angle. Each exterior portion, exterior angle 120 degree. How to find each interior angle? Each exterior angle 120 degree. Therefore, each interior angle equals to 180 minus 120 equals to 60 degree. We know that sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So one angle 60 degree for equilateral triangle. degree, 60 degree. So sum of three angles 180 degree. We can apply this type formula on regular polygon. Equilateral triangle regular polygon, square also regular polygon, hexagon also regular polygon. Next, another formula 2 for convex polygon. For convex polygon of n sides. For convex polygon of n sides here a sum of exterior angle equals to 4 into right angle. 4 right angle symbol, that is 4 into 90 degree, 360 degree. B sum of interior angle, sum of all interior angle, sum of all exterior angle, all interior angle equals to 12 minus 4 into right angles. 12 minus 4 into right angles. Now I have told that convex polygon. Convex polygon means benzene ring. This is also convex polygon. All sides are not equal. If equal, then nebular polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is n equals to 6 sides. Therefore, exterior angle, all exterior angle equals to 4 into 90. That is 60 degree, 360 degree. But sum of all interior angle equals to 2 into n means 6 minus 4 into 90 degree. That is 12 minus 4 cross 90. That is 8 cross 90 degree, 720 degree. Sum of all interior angle 720 degree. Each interior angle divide by 6. If we divide 720 degree by 6, then we get each interior angle 120 degree. Each interior angle 120 degree. Next, another formula. Number of diagonals of polygon in a polygon of n sides equals to n into n minus 3 by 4. Number of diagonals. We can draw a benzene ring, that is hexagon. N equals to 6 sides. So number of diagonals of a hexagon equals to, apply formula, n equals to 6 into 6 minus 3 by 4. Sorry, not 4, this is 2. 6 cross 3 by 2 equals to 2, 3, 6, 9. So total number of diagonals 9. Now we can draw diagonals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number of diagonals 9. For small number of sides we can draw diagonals, but when n equals to big quantity, big number, suppose 100, then this is difficult for drawing number of diagonals. This type problem we can apply directly this formula. When n equals to 100, that is formula is n minus 3 by 2 equals to 100 into 100 minus 3 by 2 equals to 50 cross 97, that is 4850. When n equals to 100, we can apply this formula, and total number of diagonals 4850. Students, I hope you will be able to understand. Thank you.